Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College. Presented by Mrs. Vaishali Jadhav. Today we'll learn Standard 5th Subject Math. Lesson number 10, Measuring Time. Hello students, in this part of this lesson we'll study in the problem set 45 remaining word problems. Okay, so let us have a look at the question number 3. See the question, a government office opens at 7 in the morning and it closes at 3 in the afternoon. How long is this office open? Children, it is very easy to find out. Now we have studied 24-hour clock. Now as per 24-hour clock, 3 means, see here, 1 is 30, 2 is 14 and 3 is 50. We'll write 3 in the afternoon means 15 24-hour clock. Okay, now as usual we'll make 2 columns. One is of hour, another one is of minute. Alright. Now, when office closes at 3 means at 15. So we'll write over here 15. Right here office closes. Minus when it opens 7. 07 we can write office opens. Okay. Now children, it is very easy to find out the answer. 0 minus 0, 0. Here we can draw the line. 0. 5 minus 7, not possible. We'll borrow, cancel here 0, it becomes 15. Now 15 minus 7, yes it is 8. Okay. So, how long is the office open? Office was open for 8 hours. So we'll write over here final answer. Therefore, office was open for 8 hours. Square box. So this is how we have finished question number 3. Now we'll solve question number 4. Let us have a look at the question 4. A movie starts at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and it finishes 2.5 hours later. So at what time does the movie end? Children, here also we can make 2 columns. Hour and minutes. Okay. Now 3 hour 45 minutes. Movie starts at this time and duration of movie is 2.5 hours. So we have to add 2 hour 30 minutes. Write over here duration of a movie. Okay. Now let us add 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. Children, now see here in the minute column we have got answer 75, which is greater than 60. We have already studied in the previous question. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 75 minutes are never going to be there. So we'll write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So write over here minus 60. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. When I am subtracting 60, that it means I am subtracting 1 hour. That 1 hour I am supposed to add in the hour column. So 5 plus 1, 6. So when does the movie end? Movie ends at 6 hours 15 minutes. So let us write over here, therefore movie we'll solve question number 5. Let us have a look at the question. Sakharam was plowing the field from 8 in the morning. At 12:30 in the afternoon, he stopped his work and started for home. He reached home at 1:30. How long was he plowing the field? And how long did it take him to reach home from the field? Student, we can here also make two columns, hour column and minute column. Okay, 12:30. Sakharam stopped his work. Minus 8. Sakharam started his work. Okay, so we'll subtract it. 0, 3 minus 0, 3. 12 minus 8, not possible, cancel here, 0, cancel 2, 12 minus 8, 4. Therefore, Sakharam worked for how many hours? 4 hours, 30 minutes. So we'll write over here final answer. Therefore, Sakharam worked for 4 hours, 30 minutes. And now, how long it took to reach home from the field? Suppose he stopped his work in the afternoon 12:30 and he reached home at 1:30. It means it took 1 hour to reach home. So, Sakharam required 1 hour to reach home. 1 hour to reach home. Okay, so this is how we have finished even question number 5 also. Now we'll study question number 6. Children, see the question number 6. Rambhav started the water pump at 10:30 at night and put it off the same night at 11:45. How long was the water pump on? Children, now what is 11:45? Means 11:45. 15 minutes remaining to 12. So first let us write here 11:45 means 11:45. Okay, so let us again make two column, hour column and minute column. When it is put off 11:45, water pump put off. Minus when it was started at 10:30. Water pump started. Okay. Let us subtract 5 minus 0, 5, 4 minus 3, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So how long the pump was on? So the pump was on for 1 hour 15 minutes. Therefore, water pump was on for 1 hour 15 minutes. Okay, this is how we have done this question number 6. Now we'll solve question number 7. Students, let us have a look at the question number 7. Geeta taught in the classroom for 2 hours 25 minutes in the morning and 1 hour 45 minutes in the afternoon. How long was she teaching in all? Children, here the word is there in all. It means we have to do the addition. So let us make again two column, hour and minutes. Okay, So 2 hours 25 minutes. Start in the morning. Okay. Plus 1 hour 45 minutes. Start in the afternoon. Okay. So we can extend these columns. 5 plus 5 0. Carry 1. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 4 7. 2 plus 1 3. Children, now let us have a look at the minute column. It is 70, which is greater than 60. We know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So let us write over here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. So minus 60 over here, what remains? 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 7 minus 6, 1. When I am subtracting 60, it means I am subtracting 1 hour. That 1 hour I am going to add in the hour column. Okay, so 3 plus 1, 4. So how long was she taught in all? 4 hours, 10 minutes. So let us write here. Therefore, in all, Geeta taught 4 hours 10 minutes. Okay, so this is how we have finished question number 7. Now we'll solve question number 8. Students, see the question. If a bank is open from 10 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening, how long is it open? So it's very easy, children. As per 24-hour clock, 1 is 30, 2 is 40, 3 is 15 and 4 is 16. So let us write over here as per 24-hour clock, 4:30 means 16 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll make two columns over here, hour and minute. Okay, so 16:30 minus, when the bank was open 10, here bank closes, bank opens. Okay, so let us subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 3 minus 0, 3, 6 minus 0, 6, 1 minus 1, 0. So, how long was the bank open? Therefore, bank was open for 6 hours 30 minutes. Right? In the square box. Okay, so it is very easy example to solve. Okay, now we'll solve question number 9. Children, let us have a look at this question. Number 9. If a shop is open from 9:30 am to 10 pm, how long is it open? Student, as per 24-hour clock, 10 pm means 22. So let us write as per 24-hour clock, 10 pm means 22. Okay, so what we'll have to do, we'll have to subtract. So let us make two columns over here, hour and minutes. We can write one column over here to write the borrow. 22. Shop closes. Minus 9:30. Shop opens. AM means morning and 10 pm PM. That is why PM is post meridian. That is why we have to take over here 22. Otherwise, in your mind, question may arise why this is taken 22 because it is PM over here. Okay. Now 0 minus 0, 0, but 3. I cannot subtract this 30 from 0. Let us borrow 21. When I am borrowing 1 hour in the minute column, it means I am borrowing 60 minutes. So write over here 60. Here you can write 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. Okay. Now 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. 1 minus 9, not possible. Cancel. Written 1. 11 minus 9, 2. 1 as it is. So, how long the shop was open? It was open for 12 hours 30 minutes. So, therefore, write over here, shop was open for 12 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so write over here, answer in the box. This is our answer. Now we'll solve question number 10. Student, let us have a look at this question. If the Maharashtra Express leaving from Kolhapur at 15:30 arrives at Gondia the next day at 20:15, how long is the journey from Kolhapur to Gondia? Students will have to solve this example in two parts. On first day, what we'll do, we'll make two columns over here, hour column and minute column. Okay, leave one row to write carryover. Fine. Okay. Next day. So when it's Maharashtra Express leaving from Kolhapur at 15:30, same day till night, it is 24 minus 15:30. Okay, so I have to subtract this from 0. I cannot subtract 30, cancel it. What remains? 23. Here we can write, when we are borrowing 1 hour, it means we are borrowing 60 minutes. 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 3, 3. Cancel it. 1. 13 minus 5, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So on first day means from 15:30 till 24, it requires 8 hours 30 minutes. Now next timing we'll have to find out from 24 till next day. 24 means 0, 0. Okay, therefore on second day, see students, as per 24-hour clock, 24 means 0, 0. So on second day, we can make again two columns, hour column and minute column. Okay, we'll subtract 20 hour 15 minutes minus 0, 0. So what will get the timing? 15 minus 0 is 15, 20 minus 0, 20. Okay, so first day timing is 8 hour 30 minutes and second day timing is 20 hour 15 minutes. So let us write over here, total timing required is equals to, or we'll make two columns again, hour and minute. 20 hour 15 minutes plus this 8 hour 30 minutes of first day. Let us add 5 plus 0, 5, 1 plus 3, 4, 8. Okay, therefore journey from Kolhapur to Gondia requires 28 hour 45 minutes. So we'll write over here, journey from Kolhapur to Gondia requires 28 hours 45 minutes. Is that clear? So this is how, children, we have completed lesson number 10. Hope so you all must have understood each and every example very properly. Children, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video till the end.